stop altogether.
Yeah, just stop. Perfect. Signal off as well, and that's it. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to explain you a roundabout coming. You know, we did a maneuver in Tesco's, yeah, the big one. So right in front of Tesco, we have 2 roundabouts, yeah. So we have been doing those roundabouts, but I'm going to explain you something else about the roundabout, yeah. So basically, I'm going to explain you on the map, yeah. Can you see these ones? So it's one roundabout right on the right next to Tesco,
And there's another one.
And there's another one, yeah. Now this has how many exits? The first roundabout has the one on Tesco's, 1 and
2.
Perfect. And how many on the next
3.
one? Perfect. There you go. And keep in mind, let me just explain you properly, yeah. So if you look here, the second roundabout is on the dual carriageway.
Yeah.
That means as soon as you would finish the first roundabout, you're gonna have how many lanes on a dual carriageway?
2.
2. So that means 2 lanes would be found here, 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 and here as well. Makes sense, innit? You following it, yeah? I didn't show you here perfectly, but I'm gonna explain it. So if you notice, so we are on this road, yeah? So we're gonna approach the roundabout, and if you notice, the roundabout has 2 lanes just on the approach. The right lane goes into what exit? Second exit. Cool, yeah? So only right. And the first lane goes into the first exit, but the first lane goes into the second exit on the right as well. It has an arrow which is fainted on the on the thingy, yeah, but it has a thingy basically, yeah. So that means if imagine you were to turn right into second exit normally, which lane do we use? The right one, perfect. But the problem is, imagine if we were turning right from this roundabout and you stayed in the right lane, and imagine from the next roundabout we have to turn left into first exit. It's going to be so tricky for you to move back. Why? Because the distance is like it's just few yards only, nothing else. So that means we won't have the time to change the lane. So what would be the best option? So basically what I'm trying to say is the first roundabout would be done depending on where you're going on the second roundabout. So imagine if you are driving around here on the test and the examiner give you the instruction for both of the roundabouts, you need to worry more about where you're going from the second roundabout, because our positioning on the first roundabout would be done depending on where we're going on the second roundabout, yeah? So imagine if on the second roundabout we're going left into the first exit, that means we are still turning right from the first roundabout in the left lane. But once we're in the left lane, how would we tell people on this exit that we're gonna go right? Indicate right. And what lane we're gonna stay in?
Left.
The outer, the left lane, the outer side of the roundabout. And what we do just on the island?
And you indicate.
Which indicator we need?
So if we're going left.
Then we.
So left.
That's it. Cool. Now, if you're going straight from the roundabout, the number 2, and that means what is the best lane to go straight from the roundabout?
So it'll be the left.
The left lane. So that means when it comes to doing the first roundabout, where would you do it from?
On the left.
On the left lane with the right lane. You see that?
Cool.
And now if you're turning right into the third exit on the second roundabout, how are you going to approach the first roundabout?
So on the right.
On the right. And then
so you go and then go that way.
Perfect. Now when you reach the first exit and when you put the left signal, you have to exit on the right lane as well. You see that? So that means you have to worry about whatever you're going to do on the second roundabout well before reaching the first roundabout, yeah? So let's say what we're going to do now is we're going to put into practice, yeah? From the not the first time we're going to do basic, yeah? So we would be doing exit number 2 straight ahead from the second roundabout. So that means when you would be approaching the first roundabout, what lane we have to stay in? Left lane. But with the what signals?
Right.
There you go.
Cool.
Makes sense, innit?
I think so.
That's all I want to explain. Sorry, I'm gonna.
It's alright.
Should I put it here?
Yeah, it's fine.
It's like that cross gauge roundabout basically.
Yeah.
Okay. Brilliant. So let's roll when you're ready. Okay, so pick the speed slightly faster. Okay. Good stuff. And because they're so close to each other, you would be warned early about both of them. They can't give you instruction for just one roundabout and then suddenly the second one. Perfect. So I'm gonna give you an instruction. This is how it would look in the driving. So at the second roundabout, go straight into the second exit, and at the first roundabout, turn right into the second exit. So I'm gonna repeat again. At the first roundabout, turn right into the second exit, At the second roundabout, go straight into the second exit. Make sense, innit?
I think so.
All right, let's
lot of
see.
information.
Okay, so we're turning right into second exit.
Right.
So we're gonna check what mirrors and signals.
So right into
Perfect. And which lane are we gonna stay in?
left.
The left. You see the two arrows? You see that?
Yeah.
Perfect. How's the vibe on the right? Anyone in the inner side of the roundabout?
Yeah.
Yes. So, all right. He's gonna.
Yeah.
Okay, clutch. Take the clutch from me. Into first gear. All right. You're rolling the car's brake. Okay. Now let's move.
Yeah.
Perfect. A bit more speed. Stay as out as you can.
Yeah.
As out. And now tell
right.
people we're leaving. Over there. Okay.
Well confused.
Okay. Into second gear quickly. Into second gear. All right.
Yeah.
Now turn off the signal because we are going straight ahead. Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. Are we in the correct lane already?
Yeah.
How's the vibe? Does it seem the right?
Yeah.
That's just a basic straight exit.
Cool.
Yeah. One more check if you don't mind.
Cool.
One more check if you
Go.
don't mind. There you go. We're going straight into second exit. And mirrors first.
Yeah.
Okay. Couple of things went wrong at this roundabout.
Yeah.
First of all, you didn't check the mirrors. And one other thing which you didn't realize, when you enter the roundabout, you went a bit in the middle.
Yeah. Okay.
Remember what we agreed?
Yeah.
Extreme left, yeah? Like your position to go into the second exit or to go into the first exit should be literally the same, basically, yeah? Happy with it?
Yeah. Yeah, in theory that all made sense. Then we got there.
Yeah. You know the funny thing, you told me so confidently.
Yeah, no, I was like,
thought
got
I won't
this.
even interfere at all, you know what I mean? And then you were like, okay, no, I'm gonna mess it up.
Yeah.
We're taking the first right. Okay, so this time, carefully, yeah? So, from the first roundabout...
This time, do it right.
So, from the first roundabout,
Yeah.
we're gonna turn right into the second exit.
Yeah.
And from the second roundabout, we're turning left into the first exit.
Right. So which lane do I need to be in?
Okay.
Right lane.
No, because from the second roundabout, we're turning left. So that means we have to be on the left lane on the first
Yeah.
to go all the way right.
Okay.
Makes sense, innit?
Think so.
So we're going right from the left lane.
Right.
Why? Because from the second roundabout, we're going left.
So I need to be in the left lane.
You have to be throughout in the left lane. So check your
So
mirrors,
all the way in the left.
put the right signals.
Right signals.
Yes,
But
but
in
staying in the left lane.
Yeah.
And we're not going left, we're going right, yeah?
Okay.
Check early and boom. But we're still gonna follow the curb.
Yeah.
Curb. All right. Check your top and left mirrors.
Yeah.
Tell people we're leaving it. There you go. Now, first roundabout is done now. Where we
Right.
agreed for the second roundabout? Left into
Left into
first exit. So how we tell people we're gonna go
So
left? Perfect. And now the roundabout should be done on your own. Your clutch is not down.
Stop.
Okay. Look, your clutch was not down.
Yeah. Go.
Yeah, it could have gone. Speed up slightly more. And there you go. Perfect. Let's go on, move off. Go deeper on the gas. Go slightly deeper on the gas. Okay, that's enough. So now what we're gonna do is, from both of the roundabouts, we're gonna be turning right.
Okay.
From the first roundabout, turn right into the second exit. At the second roundabout, turn right into third exit.
Okay.
That means now throughout the junction, throughout the roundabouts, we have to be in the right lanes.
Right.
So that means when you go right from the first roundabout, which lane do you normally use now?
Right.
Right. Why? Because from the second roundabout, we're going right. So
Going
if,
on the right,
and off the right as well.
off on the right.
Because if we use the left lane to go right as we did previously, we won't have time to change the lane quickly. Because it's just shorter distance, isn't it?
Cool.
The distance is the main problem in between the roundabouts.
What were
If-
the exits?
So the exit number one, sorry, the
one.
roundabout number one, second exit on the right.
Exit, cool.
The second roundabout, third exit on the right. So 1 and 2, sorry, 2 and 3, yeah?
2 and 3.
We'll do it together, don't worry, yeah? And there you go. So from the first roundabout, turn right into the second exit with the intention of turning right again from the second roundabout, yeah?
So indicate to the right, yeah?
Indicate to the right with the nice mirrors.
Right.
Perfect. And should we stay on the left or the right?
Right.
Perfect. Yes, but first gear.
Ah, no.
Yes, but first gear first.
Right.
All right, let's wait for the van.
Yeah.
And off you go now.
No.
Okay, chill. Okay, gone. Hold it. Perfect. Yeah, give me 1 second. Clutch down. Perfect. Now move off with a bit of the tap on the gas as well. Yeah.
That's not right.
Okay, clutch down
Yeah.
and
I know.
bring the clutch up smoothly. Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to bring it up smooth.
I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna take control.
Yeah.
Leave it. Okay. You're just panicking on the clutch. It's all right.
Sorry, yeah.
We drive together. We die together. It's all right. Don't worry. Okay.
Sorry.
Speed us slightly more. So speed us slightly more. And now check your top and left mirrors. Put the left signal. Just people are gonna leave it. Go and put the left signal, but we're gonna stay in there.
Yeah.
Right lane. Now we're gonna turn right into third exit. So how do we check the mirrors? What mirrors are needed? Because we're turning right. So
Right. So right.
right mirrors, right signals,
Yeah.
and that's it. Now we're preparing ourselves for the third exit on the right side. Yeah. And we are together. Don't worry. Yeah.
Don't know why I'm not getting this.
We'll do it on the
Yeah.
again as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's sweating, so I'm gonna put something.
Stressed.
So the amount of vehicles coming from the right, I think we cannot make it at all. So we need a blocker like that car. And
Go now.
no, there's a car blue.
No.
Now gone.
No.
Move off. Okay, no, he's pulled out. Yeah, clutch down, clutch and brake as well. Perfect. Find a tiny bit biting point and wait for someone to come from there. Like there's too much bite. You're gonna stall the car, bro. Slightly more, and off you go now. Press the gas deeper. It's a big roundabout. Press the gas deeper. Okay, second gear. All right.
Yeah.
Smooth. Leave the clutch. Check your top and left mirrors. Put the left signals and into the curb on the towards the curb on the left side, like this. Perfect. And we're at the national speed limit. Yes. Into which gear now? What's the national speed limit on a dual carriageway?
70.
70.